Hello, housing investors and fix and flippers. John Harris coming to you from Rapid Funding Solutions. And I gotta say, I've gotten a lot of questions and a lot of comments asking about our fix and flip line of credit that we offer people. Alright, so since my recent post about what programs Rapid Funding has to offer for housing investors and those who are doing fix and flips, I have gotten a lot of messages, a lot of questions, a lot of messages in my email inbox, private messaging, on my wall, just asking about the fix and flip line of credit. So I guess this has been a popular item lately. People are looking forward to it. So I'm just going to put it all out here to let you know what it's about and how you can qualify for it, okay? Now, generally speaking, the fix and flip line of credit is just this. It's a line of credit that goes towards your fix and flip properties, okay? So you have this line of credit that you're able to utilize, you're able to dip into it to purchase the property, you work on it, you do your flips, you do renovations, and then you flip it, right? You put that money back into the account. Now that account's reusable for you, so you can now dip back into it for your next purchase and your next property. A property to that, you can keep rotating that line of credit over and over and over again, reusing it as you keep purchasing properties and flipping it back. Purchasing properties, flipping it back, okay? So really easy, very useful. If you're a person who's doing a lot of fix and flips, this is the product for you. Trust me. It's easy, it's quick, and you have to keep running back to the bank every single time to get a brand new loan for each property you want to invest in.
Show me the money!
So the fix and flip line of credit, it's a tongue twister, it really is. So the fix and flip line of credit, what are the terms on it and how does it work? Alright, so the basics, what can we offer? Well, we can offer you as low as a $50K line of credit towards your fix and flip or your property that you're investing in, up to $10 million. Okay, so depending on what you qualify for, what properties you're investing in, how long you've been in the game, this is the range that you're working with. So I mean, obviously you can have a lot of wiggle room with this, able to invest in multiple properties at one time. Wow. And again, that money's always rotating. So after you keep paying it off, you dip back into it again, and then paying it off, and dip back into it again. And this is a cycle that you can work with, and you don't actually go back to anyone else ever again, really, for another loan if that's the product that you're working with. Okay, now the rates, they start as low as 6.75% and up. That's the starting block, and then it only goes up from there. So the better your credit, worthiness, whether your business credit, then the lower the rate we can work with and the property that's in. Now, if you have low credit and you're struggling on this, check out my other videos that teach you how to help build your credit fast and get to where you need to be, wherever you're looking for a loan for your personal or for your business or for a property investment. These terms are short, it's 12 months. Now, again, if you're in the fix and flip business, this is actually quite a large window. Most people will be purchasing a property, doing the renovations over the course of 2 to 6 months, and then trying to sell off the market again within then. So 12 months is generally enough time for most people in this industry. Alright, so we offer you a 9% loan to cost ratio. So yes, you need to have money up front to be able to make this investment. This is not a 100% financing option, okay? That's not something that exists, other than for a renovation option, which I will get to in a bit. But for a first-time purchase, when you're getting a new property, you will need at least 9%. You will need at least 10% available to you, your own money to be able to put towards the purchase of property, and we will be able to fund 9% of the rest of the property of the cost. Purchasing property under cost, then it might be at 75% value that we'll be able to fund. So you may be looking to pay 25% of the value of the property if it's going to be lower than what the cost is going to be. But again, that will be worked with our underwriting team, and we'll work it out between our banks, lenders, or something, but we can offer you as an individual for your properties. Now, some amazing news, we do actually offer 100% towards rehabs. So if you already own property or you're purchasing property outside of this program, we can offer you 100% financing towards the rehab of that property to bring it up to spec to what you need it to be, to where you want to get, but before flipping it back for a profit. So we do offer 100% for rehabs only, not for the property purchase. Remember that. For this program, we will require a 620 credit score or above to be able to qualify. Anything lower, we really don't want to. We probably won't be able to work with you on this. Not that we can't. Makes it a little bit harder. So maybe you'll need a lot more stronger on your business side, stronger value, or money to be able to put down towards the purchase. But generally speaking, 620 score and above is who we're willing to work with for this program to move forward with. Okay. So a few things we'd like to know if you do qualify for this program. Okay. So you qualify. What do we need from you to move forward with this process? Well, first off, the application filled out. I'll have the link down here below. But there are a few things we have to know about you to understand you as an investor and when moving forward with you and just experience that you've already had under your belt.
I don't even know who you are.
Generally speaking, we need to know you as a business, and that's pretty much it. After that, it's our quick, easy process. It takes a few days to close. We have a hard time to not close on time for people. I know a lot of people have come to me saying that in the past they've gotten a loan from someone in the past, but they couldn't finalize all the work before the closing date, so it fell through for them. But with us, that's not usually our problem. We're very quick, we're very diligent, have our own underwriting team, and our own process for this. So this is actually really simple process to work with for us. Okay, so again, this is just a video covering the fix and flip line of credit. We have 6 other programs available to land investors, real estate investors, property investors, fix and flippers as well, right? But this is one that had a lot of popularity with people asking a lot of questions, so I thought I'd make this quick video just to kind of tell you what it's about, let you know the structure of it, and what you need to qualify, move from there, okay? So anyways, if you're interested, give me a call. I'm John Harris, Rapid Funding. We do business loans, business lending, equipment financing, and of course, property investment funding for real estate investors. So give me a call. My number will be here, probably in the video or link below, my email address, and we'll see what we can do to help you out, okay? I'll talk to you guys later.